Amplify your fun in the snow with the Moonbike's ultralight electric snowbike. This wintertime personal vehicle weighs only 191.5 pounds with its battery. In fact, with its low weight, small size, and low center of gravity, this electric snowbike is easy for anyone to ride. What's more, it's also simple to store and transport, so you can haul it on the bed of a truck or transport it on a hitch carrier. Plus, you can double the bike's range once you add the optional dual battery. Moreover, with a top speed of 26 miles per hour and a 40% gradability on groomed slopes, this gadget is up for your winter adventures. Even better, this bike has a heated battery box that resists cold weather down to -13 Fahrenheit. Finally, charging your Moonbike is simple with the direct cable connection. It takes about 2 hours and 20 minutes with the optional fast charger. Don't let a bit of snow stand in your way of adventures. With the Fimbulvetr Hiker lightweight snowshoes, you can walk anywhere your heart desires. Easy to wear and use, the HIKR snowshoes measure a full 24 inches long. In addition, the strong structure keeps your feet well balanced in the center. Along with the length, this design ensures you remain on top of the snow and can continue to move with ease. You can even power through the steepest of inclines without getting bogged down by snow. Additionally, the Hiker snowshoes are more streamlined in shape than traditional snowshoes. They're also super lightweight so you can move with impeccable ease. Featuring DuPont Heidel TPCet, the Hiker snowshoes also travel easily with the rest of your snow gear. Chat with friends and stay aware of their location on the mountain when you use the Sena Snowdock 2 Bluetooth Snow Helmet headset. Install it easily in the earpod of your snowboard or ski helmet. Then you'll have up to 6.5 hours of talk time. Moreover, this Bluetooth communication system provides convenient intercom abilities. In fact, its built-in microphone and intercom can communicate with up to 4 other people via Bluetooth. Not only that, but you can use it for music playback as well. Simply pair it with your smartphone to listen to music as well as take calls. With a working distance of up to 700 meters, it keeps you connected even when someone's on the Bunny Hills and you're on the Black Diamond. If you love the thrill of snow sports, you need the Aerosize Vest 1 Starter Kit Avalanche Airbag device. It may one day save your life during a dangerous outdoor activity. Wear this Avalanche Airbag device during extreme snow sports, such as snowboarding or skiing, to protect yourself from life-changing injuries or worse. Simply wear it like a backpack, and it's so lightweight and petite that you likely won't even notice it's there. But, during an avalanche, pull the trigger in front of the vest to reveal a gas-filled airbag. The airbag frame grows and stretches the fabric while the rest of the volume of the airbag fills automatically with air sucked in from the environment. Finally, the broad fluorescent red stripes improve your visibility should you ever become endangered in the snow. You can practically keep a pair of skis in your back pocket when you have a set of the Ski-Skates 2 short skis. These incredibly short ski skates are so small that you can actually put them in your backpack. In fact, the Ski-Skates 2 are a combination of skis and skates, meaning you'll be able to truly skate on the snow. The base length is below 50 centimeters, which ensures that ski skating feels very natural, just like ice skating on the snowy ground. Choose between 2 models, one that attaches to your ski boots and one that attaches to your snowboard boots, in 2 colors, black or white. Use them everywhere from downhill ski slopes to hiking trails. If you're an inline skater, ice skater, or just an adventurous spirit, you're going to love the wintertime fun these short skis bring you. Carve turns on the snow with the Agog Sports Slopedeck Hybrid Snow Skateboard. Featuring a patent-pending Morphtec base, this board lets you carve tight turns in any condition. Likewise, the closed-cell lightweight space provides a narrower running surface. Just 1 inch below the deck, it allows for incredibly quick edging. In combination with the arched grooves, the Slopedeck offers supreme control and a surf-like sensation. Handmade in Canada, the hybrid snow skateboard uses Canadian maple. Moreover, the concave skate deck has a grip tape EVA top sheet, making it feel just like a standard skateboard deck. The leash holes on the tail and tip guarantee your snowboard goes where you want it to. Complete with a waterproof urethane sealant, the Slopedeck delivers a smooth ride for. Use the Milo Action voice communicator to connect with your friends when you're skiing, snowboarding, or doing other outdoor sports. This gadget lets you share your adventures with friends in situations when you can't reach for your phone. With no buttons to push, this hands-free device doesn't require a cell signal or Wi-Fi to use. And it features 6 low-distortion microphones that suppress wind and background noise to provide clear calls. Furthermore, with a single click, you can easily mute the microphone while listening to conversations. In fact, the Action Voice Communicator can last all day, thanks to its extended battery life. Additionally, the IP67 rating makes it waterproof and dustproof as well as impact-resistant. Overall, you can communicate with friends to talk about your adventures as well as easily get in contact with people if you're in danger. Combine the safety of an outdoor helmet with smart communication features with the Sena Latitude Series Smart Snow Helmets. Featuring speakers and a microphone in the ear pads, this series allows you to seamlessly connect with others on the snow. In fact, the HD Bluetooth intercom provides high-quality communication between a group with a range of up to 900 meters. Alternatively, use the integrated speakers to stream music while you ski or snowboard. Moreover, these smart snow helmets keep safety and comfort in mind. Composed of a durable ABS shell with an EPS liner, the Sena Latitude series avoids head injuries. Finally, the adjustable airflow system lets you regulate the amount of air you feel while you're shredding down the mountain. Wear an all-in-one device that helps keep you safe on adventures, the Captrek GPS Outdoor Guide. Not only does it have GPS and sport tracking features, but it also acts as a smartwatch and an outdoor communicator. Additionally, this safety device is also a remote control for your drone and action camera. It's security, community, and connectivity in one with Captrek. It even has an SOS button that offers an emergency SOS e-call feature. Whether you ski, hike, run, mountain bike, climb, mountaineer, canoe, ride horses, or do something else, it can help. Resistant to cold, water, heat, dust, and bumps, it won't fail you when you need it. Moreover, its large screen is easy to use even when you are wearing gloves. Compatible with iOS and Android, it connects via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ANT+. Keep your bum nice and dry with the Ask Gasket Seat Warmer. If you're a skier or snowboarder, you'll love that this gives you a totally waterproof barrier between you and the wet chairlift. Made of Ulex plant-based tree rubber, this accessory keeps you totally dry. So, whether you're sitting in snow to buckle in or riding on a chairlift, you won't be cold and wet when you're done. In fact, it can even keep your bum up to 250 warmer after a 5-minute chairlift ride. This means you'll be so much more comfortable as you sail down the mountain. Because most waterproof outerwear is only water resistant, water can still permeate it. That's why you want this 100% waterproof seat warmer, which uses closed-cell insulation to be totally impermeable and maintain warmth. Finally, it's super easy to put on and take off without removing your other clothing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.